What if the reason positive thinking doesn't work for you is not because you're negative, but because your nervous system doesn't feel safe? Maybe you've tried affirmations, gratitude lists, motivational videos. You repeat, everything is fine. I choose happiness. I am safe. Yet inside, nothing changes. And then comes the shame. Why does this work for everyone else, but not for me? What if nothing is wrong with you? What if the problem is not your mindset, but the wound your body is still protecting? We live in a culture obsessed with positivity. Think positive. Stay grateful. Focus on the good. And while optimism can be helpful, forced positivity can become another form of emotional suppression. When a child grows up in an unsafe emotional environment, they often learn, don't cry, don't complain, don't feel too much, be strong. As adults, this conditioning evolves into, just stay positive. But trauma does not disappear when ignored. It goes underground. And what we suppress does not vanish. It waits. Here is the crucial distinction. Trauma is not primarily cognitive. It is physiological. Trauma lives in the nervous system. When your body learned that the world was unpredictable, critical, or emotionally unsafe, your nervous system adapted for survival. This may include hypervigilance, emotional shutdown, anxiety without clear cause, difficulty relaxing, feeling unsafe even in calm moments. Positive thinking speaks to the mind. Trauma lives in the body. This is why affirmations alone often fail, not because they are wrong, but because they are incomplete. If your nervous system feels unsafe, and you tell yourself, I am safe, your brain detects a contradiction. The survival system responds, no, you are not. This creates internal conflict. Instead of relief, you feel tension. Instead of calm, you feel frustration. Instead of healing, you feel failure. This is not resistance. This is protection. Your nervous system is doing exactly what it learned to do. Keep you safe. Here is the turning point. Healing trauma is not about thinking better. It is about helping the body feel safe again. Safety is not an idea. Safety is a felt experience. When the nervous system begins to experience safety, the mind naturally becomes calmer. Not forced. Not rehearsed. Not manufactured. Authentic. Pause. You don't heal by fighting your nervous system. You heal by teaching it safety. Forced positivity says, don't feel bad. Healing says, it makes sense that you feel this way. Forced positivity silences pain. Healing listens to it. Real hope does not deny wounds. It creates the safety required for them to heal. You don't need to pretend you're okay. You need to feel safe enough to be real. If positive thinking hasn't worked for you, it does not mean you are broken. It means your nervous system is protecting you the best way it knows how. And protection is not the enemy of healing. It is the doorway to understanding. You are not failing. Your body is surviving. And survival is where healing begins. In the next episode, we will explore how your nervous system learned these survival patterns and how you can begin to retrain them safely. Because healing is not about becoming someone new. It is about finally feeling safe enough to be yourself.